This is a 2015 Nissan Versa. Customer was telling me that um, the car was like jerking. When she was driving, and then she got home and she tried to start it. It wouldn't start. When I came over, it did the typical click. So I checked. I cleaned. I checked first. I did battery load test, um, and with a manual load tester. And then I did a voltage drop test where you put your positive here, and then you go first to the terminal, then to the connection. And there was no voltage drop, at least here. But I took it all off and I cleaned it up. Still doing the click. I when I got in the car and tried to start it, she was out here under the hood, and she told me it was sparking from here. The car was sparking from here. So this is the ground connection. I went ahead and cleaned the connection, and also took it off from the what attaches to the block, and the car started right up. So check this right here. You could, and it'll even trigger a check engine light. It'll start jerking. But I haven't checked the code, but pay attention to this little ground over here on this Nissan Versa. All right.